This is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to be receiving SMS alerts on your Opay account as if your Opay account is actually your bank account. Without no further delay, let's get started. So you are going to sign into your Opay account. Once you sign into your Opay account, then you are going to click on the me icon here. This meme icon here, you're going to click on it, and once you click on it like that, it's going to load and it's going to bring you to this your profile page. Then you will now click on the setting button here, right here. As you can see, the settings right here. You click on it. So you click on it. Once you click on it, then you will see SMS alert down here below. SMS alert down here below. So you're just going to click on the SMS alert and you are going to mark credit here. Receive credit alert. Money sent to your Opay account. So immediately, anytime somebody is crediting your account, even if you don't have a data or mobile phone, or you are not with your phone, you will receive the SMS alert to your phone as if it's a normal bank account you're opening. So just mark on the credit alert alone. You can leave this card transaction details, transfer withdrawal, and leave this other alert. So all those ones you can cancel it. Just click on the SMS alert here, receive credit alert, which is the number one. And once you click on it, then you mark it and you save, and you click on save, edit. So once you use that as you get back, then anytime somebody credits your Pay account, be sure that you are going to receive the message on your phone as a mobile SMS. So if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Peace out.